All right, so I'm going for it. I'm going to cut the inner panel out, start slapping the siding on, and then start slapping the siding on and cut the hole for the window, and then do my best to close it up tonight I don't want any bats or other creatures getting in during the night. I don't think they would anyways, but still, see what happens. So let's not overthink this. What am I going to do? Cut that metal panel out now. Get that out of the way. This way I got room to work from both sides. It's a nice cool day. And main thing is, let's not overthink this. Just cut it out, get the siding on, put the window in, and then start wrapping those little trim cuts. As long as I even just tack them in, that's fine. All right, let's go after this.